How to check total time spent on app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of additional settings. We can just get back from here. We have the option of digital well-being outside, so we can select on the option of digital well-being and parental controls. And as you do that, you'll be able to see all the options over here, so you get to see where you are spending most of your time. So if you want to check the total time spent on a particular app, so we can simply select on particular option over here where it says particular time over here. Now if you want to check on Instagram, so let's tap on Instagram, and here it says this particular option. We have these options over here where it shows how many time or how long have we spent on a particular app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.